Ryder, good morning.
Good morning.
It is 9:50. Is it 9:57 already? Holy, where are you headed?
To a museum.
To the museum. To the
There ain't no place to eat.
Earth Science Museum.
Yeah.
To see what?
Dinosaurs.
Pardon?
Dinosaurs.
I can't hear you.
To see dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs, yeah. Well, dinosaur bones, not dinosaurs, because dinosaurs no longer exist. And then all your homeschooling friends are going to be there?
Yeah.
This is our first homeschooling field trip. Do you know that, right?
Yeah.
I'm talking to you. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. And who's going to be there?
Dane.
Oh, that's it? Just Dane.
Dane, Maddie, and his mom.
Oh.
And their little brother.
What's the little brother's name? Do you know her?
No.
I don't remember either. I'm a terrible person. I just know their mom's names. Sometimes I know the kids' names. Do you think the girls are going to be there?
Maybe.
And I think Michelle is going to be there with her two little ones.
Allen Station.
Oh.
Doors open on the left.
We have 15 minutes to get there, though. Let's hope we're there. Look at how big that building is. Oh, it's a tall building.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Do you want to live in that building or work in that building?
No. Look at that big stretched building.
Oh, yeah.
How many apartments there are?
That is apartments. That's a working building over there. All right. Doesn't feel like
Man, that's a big house.
what are we on right now, Ryder? What are we driving on right now?
The train.
On the train. That's right. Okay, well, we'll see you at the museum.
Yeah.
Well, what's this? Oh, big. What is that? It's a shell of something, yeah.
For snails.
Snail shell? That's a good job. Some copper. You think it is his? Ryder, do you remember your dinosaur? You had him. His name was Coda.
Like a toy?
Yes, watch. Oh, it doesn't work. But yeah, it's not working. So, but remember, oh, he is. Uh-oh. Let's turn him off. Put him sleeping. There he is. He's sleeping. I got in trouble. Look at the.
He's awake.
Oh, he is awake. Uh-oh. I'm in trouble now. Let's turn him back off. There. He's off. Look at this big guy, Ryder. Just grab one of those legs. Just kidding. There's dinosaur things on the floor. This is why I can't go to school, Ryder. I'm in trouble. Dinosaur eggs. Let's hatch that.
Big skulls up high there.
Yeah.
Thumbs up if you can see them. All right. So let's talk about the one with the big long horns out front. So does anybody know what animal that's from?
Do you know?
1,000 years ago. So you're walking on land where. Okay, so this dinosaur has a very long name. So we're going to practice saying he actually lived in the ocean as well. But he was a lot like a dolphin. You guys know dolphins? Yeah. But he was a lizard. He was a reptile. He had scales. And he actually breathed air just like dolphins do. So he didn't have gills like a fish. He had to breathe air. So, what's something cool about this guy? What do you notice? Somebody raise their hands.
I think he's the
Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Very long nose. What else? Yeah.
Okay.
It does look like our.
Whoa. I'm inside the dinosaur's mouth. What is his name? Dinosaurus Rex. Deinonychus. Wow. Doesn't even look real. Is that real? Shout out to Severy. That rock is from there. Wait, what is it? A rock or a fossil? That's where I'm from. Ryder, look over here. Look at this. Calcite. No, he says. Okay, kid. Giant. I'm gonna go. Pretty. I wondered what, if anything came from up north. Man, that is so cool. I kind of want one of those.
Fin on his back. So, does anybody know why he had a big fin?
I was going to say it wasn't a real dinosaur.
Yeah, he's not a real dinosaur. He's a lizard. Yeah. Very good, yeah. So, dinosaurs are cold-blooded. So that means dinosaurs can't get warm by moving around. So if you guys stand up and do 10 jumps, can you do that? Stand up and do 10 jumps. And then sit down. And then sit down again. Very good. So, this guy, so did you guys feel warm there a little bit? Did you feel a little bit warm? Yeah, so we're warm-blooded, which means we can generate heat by moving.
What do you do here?
But this guy couldn't do that. So, when these dinosaurs had to collect heat from the sun to get warm. So like you guys do when you lay on the beach and you get warm from the sun, that's how they had to get warm. So, this guy used this
My
big
hand
fin
is in there.
to
See
actually
that?
get heat from the sun.
Look.
So, his fin was super high, so even though the sun was low in the sky just in the morning or the evening,
camera
you were in
right
his fin and you could get warm. So, Dimitri was really cool. Question? So, they found these in different places, so different skills. And then they generate the rest of them based off what other dinosaurs look like. So, this whole skeleton isn't real fossil, it's a model. So, both of these are models. But, this guy is all real. What? Every single bone in his body is real bones, which is why he's behind glass, so nobody can touch him. So, yes, right, this is an actual dinosaur. This is a cave bear from 25,000 years ago.
What?
So, this cave bear was found in Russia in a cave, which is why he's preserved so well.
It was found
Dane.
Yes, he lived in the Ice Age.
He loves his
So
dinosaurs.
he's much bigger than the bears we have today. So I know we have carnivore or both. Do they eat both?
They eat people.
Yeah.
They're like onwards. It's in the middle, carnivore and herbivore.
You're right. So bears, they eat lots of berries too. They eat berries and plants, but they also eat meat.
What's that in the corner?
So this cave bear was an omnivore. You guys say omnivore? And we're omnivores too, right? Or most of us. So I don't. I eat meat and plants. So I'm omnivore. Pretty cool. So I was saying with Dimitrodon, he's a lizard, right? So does anybody know the animal today that dinosaurs are related to? What are dinosaurs related to now?
Eagles.
So that's a good guess. They were related to crocodiles and alligators, but there's another animal they're even closer related to. Yeah. Very good. Birds.
Good job, Nick. You
So, birds,
Did
like
you cheat?
this crow here, they
Did
can
you?
fly, right?
Oh, look at that.
So, birds' bones are actually hollow, which is why they can fly, because they have to be light. So, in their bones, there's actually a hole in the middle, so they're more lightweight, so they can fly. Dinosaurs had the same thing. All their bones were hollow, because a lot of them were very heavy. So this guy, his bones had to be hollow, because he would often sink. He would sink into the mud or sand if he was too heavy. So, we can tell that birds are related to dinosaurs. Bonk. Be hungry? Me too. You not sharp. You not mean. You just right. We friends.
Say thank you.